The Newcastle Airport Conversion to Doppler Facility Project, undertaken by Eau Gallie Electric, involved a comprehensive scope of work aimed at transforming the facility into a Doppler facility. This included the removal of the existing TACAN antenna and TP, as well as the relocation of the existing generator. Additionally, tasks encompassed the installation of VOR and TACAN monopole foundations, pre-fabricated concrete shelter, fiberglass TP shelter, Doppler tower, VOR pole, and TACAN antenna. Eau Gallie Electric also provided power and communication to all antennas, including duct banks and rerouted power for RTR and wind cone, ensuring compliance with FAA regulations throughout the project duration.